This is a circle. It's about the same width as I am tall, and I'm not allowed to leave this circle until I find Mr. Beast's phone. I'm going to be watching all of Mr. Beast's videos until I see which phone he has. Now I'm going to be watching them from the newest to the oldest, so I can make sure I have the most accurate answer for which phone he has right now. And to know I'm not cheating, right here, this little monster guy is holding my phone, or one of my phones. And he's going to have this stopwatch. I'm going to start it when I start watching these videos. And from there on, I am not allowed to leave this circle until I see which phone Mr. Beast has in the video. And I will make sure to show you all. So let's just jump right into it. Start the timer. And let's do it. Starting with the hydraulic press versus Lamborghini video. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see that there's a phone in his pocket, but I can't tell which phone it is. And I probably also should mention that I'm not going to be watching these at any higher speed. I'm watching it at real time. While you watch me watch this little time lapse, I guess, of me watching this video, I just want to let you know how much content Mr. Beast really has. So on his channel he has 732 uploads. I don't know if that includes shorts as well. And that also doesn't include his Mr. Beast Reacts videos, or Mr. Beast gaming videos, or even his videos in other languages. But let's just say about 700 of them are full-length videos, which are about 50 minutes for Mr. Beast. Now, 700 times 15 is over 10,000. If we divide that by 60 and then divide that by 24, we get about 7 days worth of content. And you know, that also doesn't include the videos where he's spent hours and hours and hours just counting to thousands, or watching Dance Until I Die again and again. I don't know, a lot of time. Well, just finished the first video. Didn't see his phone, so we're going on to the next one. You know, I just started the second one, but this may actually take a while. I really have no idea how long this is going to take. This could have been a really bad idea. Alright, now while you watch this time lapse, what phone do you think he actually has? I really don't know for sure. I'm pretty sure he has an iPhone. But comment down below what phone do you think he has, and see if you can guess it right by the time you reach the end of the video. And we'll see if I get it right too. Maybe I'll ask Mr. Beast on Twitter or something. Hey, did I get this right? What do you think? Should I do that? Comment down below. Also, we just passed the 15-minute mark. Again, on the second video, I'm seeing a phone in his pocket, but I can't tell what it is. Second video down, still no phone, gotta keep on trucking. Okay. So I did just notice Mr. Beast was filming with an iPhone, but I don't know if that's his phone, so I'm gonna keep watching and go on from there. 36 minutes into this. I honestly thought I'd see his phone before this time, but I guess we'll see. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not his phone because it's on the plane in this video. And they're just recording with it. They must just be recording with iPhones. Good idea. I'm recording this video on an iPhone right now. Okay, I think I might have just found it. So I'm in the last to take the hand off the jet keeps the video, and Mr. Beast is calling Nico's editor George, and so it's got to be his phone, I think. So this is the section
George,
where they call him.
What's up, man?
There's the iPhone.
Nico is saying
You can tell it's an iPhone right there. All right.
if he wins, he's giving this jet to you. Do you have any words of encouragement for Nico?
Encouragement is
Right here. So you can see right here, it's got a little bit of a shorter notch. I think it's got to be an iPhone 13. All right, so my official guess on which phone Mr. Beast has is an iPhone 13 Pro. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like. If you'd like me to see me do this with another creator, comment down below which creator and like this video, and the top one, I will do that one. Check out this video. It could save you a lot of embarrassment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stepping out of the circle.